Hi everybody, I hope you're having a lovely day today. And now today I want to talk to you about something really unique and really cool. I'm going to be showing you 2 hair mask recipes that you can use using this product. One is to promote hair growth and the other is to promote hair strength and health. So the product I'm talking about today, as you can see here, is Siberian pine nut oil. Now this is made in Siberia in Russia, and this is the box that comes in, beautiful pine emerald green color with the gold, and this is the product here. It comes in a glass bottle and it's a good 100 ml. Now what is so cool about this product, it is multi-use. So not only is it good for the inside of your body, it's also good for the outside. So in terms of the inside of the body, this is really good at lowering blood pressure, blood sugar and cholesterol, as well as giving the body more energy, boosting your immunity, and also promoting weight loss. It is so unique. There's no other substitutes for this product. It's also known to cure stomach ulcers, irritable bowels, and heartburn as well. So really great if you're pregnant. So a great all-round product. Now that's just internally. It also is beneficial for a whole heap of other things. But what I want to talk to you mainly about today is using this as a healthy hair mask. One way you can really easily use this is to promote hair strength and keeping your hair nice and shiny. This product you can use 2 to 3 times a week or once a week, however much you like. It will really boost the shine of your hair and make it really healthy and strong. So all you will need to make this hair mask is around about 3 tablespoons of your Siberian pine nut oil and 3 egg yolks. Keep in mind that depending on your hair length, these ratios may change, but it's just equal parts of both. Mix them well together, and then all you need to do is apply them over the entire length of your hair, starting from the roots all the way down to the ends, and then wrap your hair firmly in a towel or a shower cap, leave on for 20 minutes, and then rinse out, and you will have super shiny, healthy, strong hair. And for this next recipe, which will enhance your hair growth and stimulate the hair follicles so your hair will grow faster and stronger and thicker and healthier, you will need a few more ingredients for this, but most of us will probably have them around the house, but rest assured it is well worth it. Now all you'll need for this one is a tablespoon of Siberian pine nut oil, 1 tablespoon of liquid honey, 1 tablespoon of preheated yogurt, 1 tablespoon of brandy, 1 tablespoon of onion juice, and 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Just mix all of these ingredients together in a bowl and then start by massaging them into the scalp. Apply to the entire length of your hair. So start at the scalp, give it a good massage in. This will stimulate blood flow to the roots of your hair, aiding in triggering that hair growth that we all want. And once you've applied it to the whole length of your hair, wrap your hair in plastic wrap and a towel. Now let the ingredients soak in for a good hour, and once that's all done, just shampoo it out, and there you have it. That's all done. Now this product is 100% natural, pure cold pressed Siberian pine nut oil. There are no other ingredients added. There's no parabens, sulfates, preservatives or colorants or aromas added. It's pure 100% natural. So you know you're investing in a quality product here that is really good for you. It's full of vitamins and essential fatty acids. Now this brand Siberian Treasure does ship worldwide. So they do ship to Australia, to the US, and they do offer free shipping for orders over $49, and their shipping rate is really quick. It's only 3 to 4 days to Australia. You can purchase it online from their website. They are also available on eBay, so go and pick yourself up a bottle. It's 100 ml, so it's such a great product to add to your beauty supplies and your kitchen cabinets. So really great product to have on hand, very versatile and very unique. Thank you so much for watching my review of Siberian Treasure's Siberian pine nut oil. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.